We're back again with another top CD rate for you, thanks to feedback from our community. And this one pays even more than 9%. Hello, member Super Savers and Bond Course folks. I hope you're having a good week. Those of you who saw this recent top CD rates of August video from earlier this week, link below, may remember me saying the top CD in 2024 pays 9%. What's the catch? And do you qualify? And the thought that crossed my mind when I said this was, watch, someone in our community is going to come back with something higher. Well, that took about 1 whole hour to happen, which is a great thing, of course. So many thanks to everyone who commented on that video and emailed us with even more top CD rates, with the highest one topping out at 9.5% for a 5-month CD. It seems there is a renewed interest in CDs with the recent volatility in the bond market and talks of possible rate cuts in September. So with that in mind, here are the 3 topics that we'll be covering in today's video. 1. Who qualifies for this 9.5% 5-month CD? And what are the restrictions? 2. Where can you get a 5% plus 36 or 48-month CD currently? And how? There is an almost secret tip in this section on the how part. And 3, what other top CD offers has our community sent our way? These here may be of particular interest for those of you who are looking for shorter CD maturity terms. As usual, here's our front of video disclaimer. For a detailed disclaimer, please refer to the end of this video. And keep in mind that the rates and information in this video are valid to the best of our knowledge at the time of this taping, but you should do your own due diligence before you make your CD purchase. Everyone's financial journey is different. So let's dive in now, folks. This time we can thank Will Wright for Gummies and Joseph S. for giving us the heads up on this 9.5% APY celebration certificate from California Coast Credit Union in San Diego, in celebration of Cal Coast's 95th anniversary. Let's scroll down to get more details on this special certificate. Yes, it is a high fixed rate of 9.5% and a 5-month term, as we've already mentioned. You can open it with as little as $500, new money is required, and there is a maximum opening deposit of $3,000 and 1 per person. I know, I wish it was more for all you Southern California folks out there, but I'm of the mindset every little bit helps. So if we scroll down further, there are some important additional requirements listed here. Please do pause this video and read through everything to make sure that you're okay with these additional requirements. Cal Coast, in essence, also wants you to have at least 1 other product open with them to qualify for the 9.5% celebration certificate. But if you're fine with these conditions, you can scroll back up to this screen from before and click on the Open Now button, which will take you to this screen here where you can start filling out your application online if you want to become a member and take advantage of this promotional offer. Do note that in order to become a member of Cal Coast Credit Union, you need to live or work anywhere in San Diego, Riverside, Orange, Los Angeles, Ventura, Imperial, and San Bernardino counties. And if you have friends or family members, you can even share this promotional CD offer with them and earn yourself a bit more. It seems quite a few credit unions and banks are running referral programs these days, and Cal Coast Credit Union is no different. They have a member referral program where you can earn up to $500 per year. For every successful referral, you'll get $50, and the person you referred will also get $50. You can click on the Learn More button here for more details. I've linked this page as well as this 9.5% APY celebration certificate page in the first pinned comment below this video for those of you who might be interested. Now, let's move on to the next section of this video and see some of the other top CD rates and terms some of you have sent our way over the past week. The special CD rate we're about to discuss comes from Super Saver David M., and it's being offered by TEG Federal Credit Union in Poughkeepsie, New York. Don't despair if you don't live in the area though, because our super saver David M really went the extra mile for our Diamond Nest Egg community on this one. Just keep watching for David's almost secret tip. So both TEG's 36-month and 48-month CDs are going out at 5.12% currently. And if you do this via an IRA certificate for your retirement, they actually top the rate up another 5 basis points to 5.17%, as you can see here. Listed below here is further information, and do note in particular that the minimum to open the account is $500. And when we spoke to the TEG customer service representative on August 9th before taping this video, there was no maximum deposit limit. Having said that, and while all the institutions we're talking about in this video today are either NCUA or FDIC insured, do keep in mind that for both insurances, their standard coverage limit is normally $250,000. If you need more details or want to understand how you might get the benefit of a higher overall coverage, please refer to our NCUA and FDIC videos here that I've also linked below in the first pinned comment for you. So going back to TEG's 36-month and 48-month CDs at 5.12%. If we scroll all the way down this page, we can see in this Become a Member section that normally you are eligible to join if you live, work, worship, or attend school in Dutchess, Orange, Rockland, Putnam, Sullivan, Ulster, and Westchester counties. Here's where our super saver David's almost secret tip comes in. You can join the Dutchess County SPCA, which will allow you to become a member even though you don't live here. You have to go to the DC SPCA website and join the Wet Nose Club. Here is the Dutchess County SPCA's page for joining the Wet Nose Club, also linked below in the first pinned comment. The annual membership fee is $55 or $50 for seniors over 65, veterans, and previous adopters. So you will need to decide whether this makes sense in your situation based on the amount that you're planning to invest into TEG's CDs. And please do note, when we clicked on this Join Wet Nose Club button, we're taken to this page. If we scroll down to Wet Nose Club member perks, we can see that membership to TEG is not listed here. But as I mentioned, we did call TEG to check some details before taping this video, and the TEG customer service representative confirmed that membership in the Dutchess County SPCA's Wet Nose Club does also qualify you for membership in the credit union. You do need to show proof of membership when you apply to join TEG. Now, if you do go down this route, please do reach out directly to TEG via the phone number on their website beforehand to make sure that this working relationship with the Dutchess County SPCA's Wet Nose Club is still valid. And if or when you're ready to join TEG to grab these CD rates here, you first have to scroll back up to the top of the page. Click on Open an Account here, which will take you to the following screen. Scroll down to where it says Share Certificates and click on Learn More, and you'll get to this Share Certificate screen. Scroll down again, and you can apply for the 36-month and 48-month CDs by clicking on this button. Right, so now that we've covered the 36-month and 48-month term CDs, let's move on to the next section of this video for those of you looking for shorter CD terms. If you're looking for 6-month to 18-month CDs, Eagle Bank is currently doing promotional offers for these terms. There is a minimum deposit requirement of $1,000. Here's what those rates look like at the time of this taping. You can click on these buttons here to open an account with them online. Eagle Bank does offer other CD terms, but as you can see, their rates for other CD terms are less competitive. Plus, you have to visit a branch or call them to open these terms. It can't be done online. And if you're with Morgan Stanley or are considering a relationship with them, do note that they are also running a relatively new promotional CD offer for eligible brokerage clients. Here are the rates they currently have for these 3 terms, with the 6-month being the most competitive at 5.73%. There is a minimum deposit requirement of $1,000, and a maximum deposit limit of $5 million. Again, keep those FDIC coverage limits in mind. The best course of action if you want to open one of these CDs is to call your Morgan Stanley contact person if you have one. If you don't have a relationship with them, then scroll down to this section and click on Get Started to connect with one of their advisors. This seems to be the only way to take advantage of their promotional CD offer. And as customary, do take note of any early withdrawal penalties for all the CDs we've talked about today. Always, always read the fine print. All right, members, super savers, and Bond Course fans. So I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. And if you watched this CD video to the end, but bonds are actually more your cup of tea, then check out this video here on our 2024 bond courses. Or come join our next live member Q&A on August 21st at 6 p.m. Eastern Time, 3 p.m. Pacific Time to continue the discussions further on all things fixed income. I've also linked all the details on our bond courses and YouTube Super Saver membership below this video for your convenience. See you again very soon with more brand new wealth building content for your financial journey.